welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, there is a tutorial. Yes. So today is a tutorial. I'm going to show you how to upload the design or the artwork, whatever you call it, onto the Teepublic. Today is a Teepublic tutorial for all of you guys who want to know how to upload it to the Teepublic and using the different tools of the Teepublic in the upload section to upload the artwork and using the main tags, main keywords, and I'm going to be going into detail about uploading an artwork or design onto the Teepublic and how I actually do it to get the multiple sales each month coming into my bank account from the Teepublic. So let's dive into the Teepublic tutorial in today's video. Before we go to consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, guys, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link are in the description box below. Simply head over to globalcreative.com. Check out all the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month because we'll be adding it, and also it contains a full commercial license, so you can very well use it. Now let's dive in with our tutorial. If you want to upload multiple designs, then you can very well click over to this option. That's the use multifile uploader, and you can go and uploading the multiple designs as only one time. That's the unique thing about the Teepublic, which I really like, which doesn't have on many platforms. So that's why I like the Teepublic, because of this unique ability. And also, guys, I have the bunch of the tutorials and videos related to making money on a Teepublic. If you want to check out, I'm going to leave that playlist in the card section above. You can very well check it out. Now we will going to go over to the section that is the uploading a single design only, because this is just the tutorial to show you guys how I upload the design on Teepublic, and if you also want to upload it, maybe it can help you guys as well. So I won't be going into this option, but if you want to upload more design, you can very well go into this option. So let's go over to this option, click to upload. Now you can drop the file over here, and these are the minimum requirements which you can read: a high resolution transparent PNG at 150 dpi, minimum dimensions of at least 1500 by 1500 by 1995 pixels. To enable all products, it should be at least 5000 by 5500 pixels. So you can very well check their design guide for more help. But I'm going to be uploading a PNG, so let's dive in and upload design and artwork from my laptop. So click on upload over here, or either you can drop the file over here, but I'm just going to click over this section. Now guys, these are some random designs that I made. So I'm going to be uploading some of the designs from these random designs over here. Let me see which one I'm going to upload over here. Okay guys, you can see very well our artwork has been uploaded. Now this one is the texture that I made. Okay, so probably go and we're gonna go and add the title and all those stuff. So since it's purple, white, green, abstract, texture, gradient. So that is the thing I want to write over here. Then the description would be beautiful design for you. Okay, you can write anything in the description, whatever you want to write, but I probably just write a simple short statement or a simple short sentence I write in the description. But it very well depends on the kind of a design. If you are making a design for a Christmas, for a Halloween, or for so many trending niches, then you can very well write a small statement or a small quote over here to actually synthesize or give a good feeling when someone is coming on your shop and looking at your designs and want to purchase from you. So it depends on that. So if you're uploading a design related to Christmas, you can write the beautiful design for the Christmas lovers or something around those lines and all. Now, this is a very important thing. Does your design contain mature content such as nudity or other female themes? No, doesn't it related to that? And now this is a main tag. Now I pressurize more on this main tag because this is the main tag which actually help our design to be found, to be searchable on a Teepublic. So obviously use only those keywords, only those tags which is completely relevant to your design. Don't use any random hashtag over here. So I'm going to be writing over here purple, green, white, abstract, texture, pattern. You can very well write according to your design. Now I think I'm crossing the limit, so that's all I can write over here. And apart from that, if you want to write any supporting tags, then you can write over here, but you're only allowed the main tag. The main tag is crucial to actually help your design found on the Teepublic search engine. So I'm going to be going into the supporting tags. That's the green texture, purple abstract, and you can also see the Teepublic is suggesting us some keywords related to what we are typing in the supporting tags, which is an amazing feature on the Teepublic. Like whenever you're typing something on a Teepublic in your supporting tags, the Teepublic will going to give you the suggested keywords, the suggested tags related to that particular keywords which you're typing in the tags. So since it's related to green texture, so I can very well go over to the green abstract background over here, and then you can see the green texture background because it's a purple and the green. So I would going to choose all the green texture abstract background related to that, and I will also going to write as a purple texture. Let me see if they have any suggestion related to purple texture, but they have only one, so I'm gonna be writing it like that. Now again, it's a green wallpaper art, then the green texture wallpaper. You can very well go with the suggestion if it is related to your design, if it's relevant to your design. If it's not, then very well go with something else. Now I'm gonna be writing as a gradient pattern because it's a kind of like a pattern, you can call it, but kind of like a more related to that. So cool soft texture. So you can very well go and do all those stuffs over here. I have finished with these some few tags over here, and I feel like it's completely relevant. Now I'll just gonna go away this section. This is also important point to be considered over here. Like when you're uploading your design on a Teepublic, you're getting on each and every individual product to customize according to it. So I'll first of all is the t-shirt. Now if you want it printed in the back, front, back, or front and back, these are two in the beta. Like these are in the beta functions, but probably I'm gonna wanna have it on the front only. But if you want it to front and back or back, whatever it is, you can do it. Now you want to select over here your default color, so I'm probably selecting the white as a default color, and then the hoodie, select the default color. So or very well after selecting the t-shirt, guys, you can see there are some tools. You can scale up your design to cover up the entire area of that particular artwork, or you can just minimize it. You can just play around with this one to see how your design is actually looking on that particular t-shirt or whatever the product is. So I'm just gonna be keeping it like this. I think this one is looking pretty amazing. Then the another part is the second product, that's the hoodie. You can choose a color and you can see which one is best suiting. I probably go with the vintage heather because I really like how it's looking over here. Then the tank, if you want to select any kind of color over here, then you can probably go and select the color as a default color, the crown neck, and very well according to each and individual design, you can adjust the scale to 100% or 50%, whatever you want to do with that. So same with the crown neck, the long sleeve t-shirts, I want to be keeping it as a white only. Baseball tee, I need to select a design color over here. So you can very well go with the black and white or white and black, depending on when. I'm gonna go with the white and black because I want to keep the white as a background. Then the kids t-shirt, again you can select the default color, the kids hoodie, the kids long sleeve t-shirt, one size, and all those kind of stuff over here, and you can very well scale it. The second product is the sticker. Now the sticker, it's keeping it like that only. You can select the die cut design only, die cut design plus background color or rectangle, whatever you want to select. But here I'm keeping it as a die cut since it's a square shape design, so there is no something like that. So I'm just gonna be keeping it like that only. The third product we have is the cases and the laptop covers. Now over here you have the scale, so obviously I need to use a scale over here and just maximize it and customize it according to my phone cover. So you can see how it's looking over here. I just let me do it again. Yeah, it's looking nice. The same is the laptop cover, so I'm gonna be probably going to scale it and do it like. Then you can select the tool color over here. I have default selected the white, but you can go with whatever color you want to do, and you can try with these bunch of the different items. You can either rotate it, horizontal, vertically aligned, or you can even try this color dropper if you want to try it. You can do all those things over here. The another thing I'm gonna cover is the mug. Like now the mug are the same thing. You can see how the mug, it's coming half over here. Again, I want to scale it. and just keep it over to the entire area of the mug. The same is this for this particular tumbler as well. You can select the size. If I select the eyedropper, you can set the background color, apply background color to all the products or to this simple travel mug only. So you can do it, guys, whatever you want to do it, but I want to keep it white only. You can select the color according to it and just remove it. The another thing is over here, the mugs we have done. Now you can see the wall art is not enabled over here because I have uploaded a design having the size lesser than that. That's why my wall art wasn't enabled. But guys, if you want this wall art to be enabled, please upload a size of the recommending size for this wall art. It's disabled for this product because the product size, because the design file size was very small. So that's why it is disabled. Now this is just the tutorial, guys, so that's why I took a small size file. You can very well pick up a large size file to actually get them enabled. Another thing is the notebook. Now on the notebook, it's again coming as a half. I want it to be this. Now you can click to print on full notebook front and back over here. If I'm just going to click over here, you can see my design is coming over the front and back both, and if you just click on the front part only, so it's coming on a front part only. So make sure you customize each and every product on a Teepublic to get the sales. The same thing is over here. I want to scale it and boom. So I want this design to be on the front and the back end both as well, so that's why I keep it like that. Then to go further, you have the pillows. I'll scroll up. On the pillows, you don't have much of the options, same as the color dropper, horizontally aligned, but I have just scaled it up, so I want to do it according to it. Let me just scroll down, and we were going to pick up another bag. That's the tote bag, another product. Just boom. The same is the case of the tapestries. Tapestries, you're getting the option over here. So I'm just gonna be scaling it so that it would cover the whole tapestry. The same is the case over here. Now the orientation, small, medium, large. Do you want it to be as a portrait or do you want it to be a landscape? I want it to be a landscape because of the design. You can do it according to your specific design. Then there is a button. So I'll just gonna boom, scale it so that it covered the entire area. It's a pin. Now there is a magnet. Magnet is done automatically. For the magnet, you have these 4 different options. You can either have a die cut only, you can have a die cut plus background color, you can either have a rectangle only. In the rectangle, you're getting the option make my design print to all edges on every size. Portrait, landscape, you can select the orientation, you can select the expected ratio over here, or either you want it to be a circle. So you can choose it according to it. I think I'm gonna choose the circle over here. Circle is looking pretty amazing rather than going with any other option over there. Another thing is to be covered over the mask. That's the last important product. So just scale it up. The same is the case over here. You can see the adult size, the youth and the child, and how the size will actually going to look like. Now, if you see this black circle or black line over here, that is the adult basic size. Okay, the pink one, that's the dashed line, is covered for the youth, and the blue one, that is the larger one, is covered for the child. So you're going to see how it actually going to look for 3 different sizes of this particular mask. So this is the thing you need to do, how to customize it each and every product according to your design. So I have selected the magnet over here as a circle, guys. You can very well select it something different. Same I did with the stickers. Stickers also you can select the different thing over here, simply a rectangle, or you can select the different orientation, the expected ratio, or the die cut only. Like it depends on wherever you want to go, but I want to keep it as a background color. And the same was in the case of the notebook. Like you want this design to be printed on both the side, then click on to print only on the notebook front, whatever you want to do with that. And once you're done with all the customization option, then you need to click this check box. I have read and agree to the terms and condition, and click over to the publish. So you must choose a default color. Okay, I haven't choose a color, guys. I have made a mistake. So let me go back to the t-shirt over area, and I need to select the default color. So I need to select this as a white over here. And another thing, I think I'm done with that. Now I just need to click over to the publish. Back print. Let's publish, guys. Our design has been. I hope you really find this video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think about Teepublic. Are you selling on a Teepublic? Are you making money from that or not? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.